Good evening, everyone. This is Brent with Enlightened Trades. Today is June 3rd, 2026. It is 8:30 Mountain Standard Time. I'm traveling this week. I'm in Wyoming currently. And what an exciting, crazy time in the market in the last few days. This is an urgent update. It'll be very short, but everybody, most likely, a lot of people are telling you to sell and whatever. But we are at a point now. This is not financial advice, okay? But we are at the exact point that I've been telling you for weeks. This is where I'm buying. Okay, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but I just want to show you. Um, let's start with the Ethereum. Right, Ethereum came down and it took out last quarter's low. Okay, right there. I still think it might come down and hit the 4 spot standard deviation at 1692. So probably somewhere in here. And then Bitcoin came down and just tagged the 2 spot. Just tagged the 2 spot right there. And this yellow box is the box that I was saying that we should get a bottom in, right? So from Thursday, May 28th to sometime around the 4th or the 5th of June, and then we should be going up. Okay, so I'm again, this is not financial advice. This is where I'm buying. I had some orders here on Bitcoin. To be transparent, I have some orders here at um, the four or the quarter one low at 1764 on Ethereum. I also have, which we haven't hit yet on XRP. I have some orders at 1188, and then I do have some more orders at 96.68 on XRP. Okay. But I do believe that we shall see now a turnaround, and it could stay some time down here. It could take some time, but I kind of believe that with the flush out, we should see at least some rapid movement up initially. Okay, and then currently right now I'll get more dialed in as we get closer, but currently my top will be somewhere over here. Now let's just look if indeed this is the low, right, on Bitcoin. I'm not saying it will be. I'm just saying it could be. But if it is, let's just take a standard deviation from right here and go up to the swing high, right? And the 2 spot is right here at 108. So at a minimum, I do believe we'll take this quarter one high out at 97,855, and within this next quarter and a half, I guess, or maybe within the next what's let's just find out exactly. We're here. So within the next 60, let's just call it 70 days. Okay, within the next 70 days, I do believe we'll take out this high, possibly get up to the 2 spot at 108. Okay, and then we'll have to see what happens. Most likely, we'll have some kind of down movement, and we'll probably retest these highs back at 80. But we will see where it goes. Again, urgent. I believe this is not financial advice. I believe this is a buy signal. Let me show you one other chart right here. Okay. So this is, you see, so this one right here. Okay, so this is a weekly chart, right? And this is kind of what I've been expecting. And I don't remember exactly if it was my last video or this video or this 2 videos ago, but I expected one of these to take out the previous quarter's low, and then the other one not to, right, on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay. Now we'll see. Maybe they'll both take it out, but I'm expecting that one of them won't. And right now we already had Ethereum take it out, so now I'm not expecting Bitcoin to take it out. And this is right. This is a SMT. This ICT teaches as SMT, and this is a signal. to this is would be a signal to go up. Okay. Again, not financial advice, but this is just how I seen it. I've been expecting it to come down. Got these buy orders in, and we'll see. So that was short, sweet. Just real quick, I guess I can uh, cover a couple more things on. Sorry, let's go back to this one. Gala took out the last 2 quarters lows. I have a buy order here. So it triggered, Ethereum triggered, right? And then hot triggered. Okay. On these buys. Don't know what's going on. Who knows? This is just my guess, but that's my opinion, and I just want to get out there. I know a lot of people are freaking out, but look, let me just go back to this chart one more time. I do believe that whatever time we spend down here, it will be very little. Um, Days, maybe, maybe hours. I don't know. And I think we'll start to see, at least again, my opinion, we'll start to see it rapidly get back up here to the 80,000 mark. Okay. All right. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. I'll try to do a longer video. I'll be home later this weekend. I'll be home late Friday night, so maybe Saturday I'll jump on and get a video out. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Love you. Have a great day. Bye. Enlightened